Hello everyone, my name is Saili Rajendra Vani. Today's video's topic is exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors. So that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. So in this video we are going to discuss about the Java exception types. So what is exception in Java? The meaning of the exception is an abnormal condition. In Java, an exception is an event which disrupts the normal flow of the program, which is thrown at the runtime. So what is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, remote exception, etc. So advantages of exception handling. The core advantage of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the program. An exception normally disrupts the normal flow of the application. That is why we need exception. Let's consider a scenario. So if we having a statement tens and exceptions occur at the 5, so the next 6 7 8 9 10 statement will not execute if we not use exception handling. But if we use exception handling, the statement 5 will throws an exception. So next is hierarchy of the Java exception classes. The java.language.throwable class is the root class of the Java exception hierarchy, which is inherited by the subclasses exception and error. The hierarchy of Java exception classes is given below. Throwable is classified into two types: exception and error. Exception is divided into IO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, runtime exception. Runtime exception is divided into arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number format exception, index out of bound exception. And index out of bound exception is divided into array index out of bound exception and string index out of bound exception. And the second which is the type of throwable is error, which error is classified into three types: stack overflow error, virtual machine error, and out of memory error. These are all about the Java exception classes. Types of Java exception: check exception, uncheck exception, and error. So let's discuss about difference between the check and uncheck exception. Check exception: the classes that directly inherit the throwable class except runtime errors and errors as check exception. And uncheck exception: in uncheck exception, the classes that inherit the runtime exception are known as uncheck exception. For example, arithmetic, null pointer, array index of bound, etc. Third is error. Error is irrecoverable. Some example of errors are out of memory, virtual machine, etc. Thank you.